If you found your way to my video, you probably just purchased a 25 Tiguan. We're gonna walk you through how to program your garage door openers. First thing you gotta do, get in the car. All right, so this is really easy. You're gonna press and go into key on, engine off, and you're gonna look over here and you're gonna see the buttons. And then what you're gonna wanna do in parallel, you're gonna press and hold your garage door button along with the mirror button that you want. So you're gonna see the light is blinking. It's gonna get quicker, and then green means it's good. All right, so we have a rolling code system on our opener. So what you're gonna do is press and hold the learn until it changes colors, like we just saw there. Quickly go back to your car, and then you're gonna go back and you're gonna press the button once, a second time. And on my garage door, the third one should mean garage door is opening. Easy as that. So you could repeat the process with the other buttons. You could do up to 3. It's pretty simple. You don't have to go to a dealer for that. And hopefully you enjoy your new car.